Good day, everyone. I am Mary Joy L. Corporal from BEd 2, Section 3. Today, I will answer the question, if you could meet any historical figure, who would it be and why? If I could meet any historical figure, I would choose Dr. Jose P. Rizal. I choose Dr. Jose Rizal because he is our national hero. He loved the Philippines with all his heart and wanted our country to become free and better. He believed that education is one of the most powerful ways to change people's lives. Instead of using violence, he used his intelligence, his books, and his writings to open the minds of Filipinos. He showed that words, knowledge, and courage can make a big difference. His life teaches us that we should stand for what is right, even if it is difficult. As a Bachelor of Elementary Education student, I admire Dr. Jose Rizal because I also believe that education can change lives. Someday, I want to become a teacher who inspires children to dream, learn, and become good citizens. Dr. Rizal's love for learning motivates me to study hard and do my best so I can help my future students and my community. If I had the chance to meet Dr. Jose Rizal, I would ask him three important questions. So, my first question is, what gives you the courage to keep fighting for the Philippines even when it was dangerous? I want to ask this because I know that Dr. Rizal experienced many hardships. He was criticized, imprisoned, and even knew that his life was in danger. Even with those challenges, he continued to fight for our country. I want to know what gave him the strength to stay brave and never give up. I believe his answer would inspire many young people today to face challenges with courage. My second question is, what advice would you give to students and future teachers today? So, I would ask this because I am studying to become a teacher. Teachers help shape the minds and hearts of children. I want to know what advice Dr. Rizal would give to us so we can become responsible, kind, and dedicated teachers. I also want to learn how we can encourage students to value education, respect others, and love our country. And my third question is, if you could see the Philippines today, what would you make happy and what would you still want us to improve? I want to ask this because our country has changed a lot since Dr. Rizal's time. Today, we have more schools, better technology, and more opportunities to learn. However, we still face problems such as poverty, lack of quality education in some places, and other social issues. I would like to hear his opinion about the Philippines today and what he thinks Filipinos should do to make our country even better. And I believe that if Dr. Jose Rizal was still alive today, he would continue to encourage Filipinos to study hard, work honestly, and love our country. He would remind us that every person has an important role in building a better future. Even small acts of kindness, honesty, and responsibility can make a positive difference in our communities. Overall, Dr. Jose Rizal is more than just a national hero. He is a symbol of courage, wisdom, and hope. His life reminds us that education is a powerful that every Filipino can help improve our country in their own way. As a future teacher, I will continue to learn from his example. I hope to inspire my future students to become responsible, respectful, and patriotic individuals who will use their knowledge to help others and make a positive impact on society.